Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba lenga kasige anauba Union Education Minister oina Prahlad Joshi hapkhre. Prahlad Joshi hanadagi Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution amade New and Renewable Energy ge Union Minister oina thopuri bane. Hanagi Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan na masagi famdagi resign tawkhibadagi Union Education Minister gi famasi Prahlad Joshi da pikhibane. Union Education Minister Hongdok Hongjing Taurakliba ase India ki education sector ki yamna maru oiba khongthang amane. NEET UG examination yauna lebaga sige tongan ba examination kaya ge paper leke wathok lairingai cheraga seda Center na National Education Policy 2020 implement tawbagi mathakta anoba school curriculum su thoklibane. Union Education Minister hapkiba sige mathakta Center na bureaucrat kaya su reshuffle tawkhrai. Higher Education ki Secretary Binit Joshi, Ministry of Panchayati Raj ta shift tawkhre aduga Naresh Pal Gangwar na Higher Education ki anauba Secretary oina hapkhre. Amaromda T.K. Anil Kumar na Department of School Education and Literacy ki Secretary ki charge puba hokre haire.